If your Android phone is showing a black screen, don't worry, it can often be fixed with a few simple steps. Start by performing a forced restart. Hold down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the phone vibrates or restarts. This clears minor system glitches that may cause the issue. If the screen remains black, check for harder issues. Ensure the phone is not physically damaged or overheated. Remove any protective case and clean the screen gently. Then plug in your phone to charge for at least 30 minutes, ensuring it is not a drained battery causing the problem. If the screen still doesn't respond, try booting into safe mode. Press and hold the power button, then long press the power off option. Tap OK to enter safe mode, which disables third party apps. If the screen works here, uninstall any recently downloaded apps that might be causing conflicts. For further troubleshooting, access recovery mode. Power off your device, then press and hold the power and volume up buttons simultaneously until the recovery menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe cache partition and press the power button to confirm. Restart your device afterward. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be a hardware malfunction. Contact your device manufacturer or a certified technician for assistance. And that's how you can troubleshoot and fix a black screen issue on your Android phone.